I'm going to reveal what most people online have been keeping a secret. There is an AI tool that is literally helping everyday people bring in so much money. This AI tool can get you paid almost every single month, but almost nobody is talking about this online. Now, this is a game changer because you can go from $0 to real payments coming into you monthly on repeat if you do this right. And the best part is, you can do this all without having to start with a lot of money inventory. You don't have to resell somebody's course or even create a product. You don't have to go viral or worry about having any followers. So if you are looking for a sign to start making money online right now in an easy and quick method, consider this your sign because I cracked the cheat code. This will be your secret weapon for the rest of 2026. So stay with me because I'm about to show you guys everything. This video is brought to you by our amazing sponsor, Go High Level. I want to keep it 100% real with y'all, okay? I would not be here putting you on talking about something like this if I did not believe in how amazing this tool is. This tool from Go High Level is the best. It's the real deal, and I'm going to show you exactly why right now. So today, I'm not just going to talk about the way to make the money. I'm going to show you guys step by step how it works so you can see it with your own eyes and you can do this yourself. And this is a new way that everyday people can take AI and make money for themselves. If you learn this now, you're going to be so far ahead of the game, okay? So without further ado, let's get right into it. Here's what I see happening all the time. People want to make money online and they know it's possible. They see other people talking about it, and so they're like, I want to do the same. But every time they try to figure it out, it feels way too complicated, too expensive, or like they need some type of special skill that they just don't have. And so they sit around waiting and procrastinating, and they watch everyone else from the sidelines hoping something's going to happen. Now, the problem isn't you. It's just that most of the time you're probably doing it the hard way. Selling products, chasing followers, posting content every day, hoping something sticks to make money. But what if AI could do the heavy lifting for you and you just show up as the connector? That is exactly what I'm going to show you how to do. So, Go High Level is an all-in-one AI-powered platform that gives any business everything that they need to run and grow online. So, websites, booking systems, automatic follow-up messages, all of it powered by AI in one place. And here is why this is going to be the cheat code for you, even if you are a beginner to something like this. So small businesses everywhere, your local lash tech, nail tech, personal trainers, boutique owners, coaches, they all need this type of stuff and they have no idea about it. They don't know how to set it up and they would be willing to pay someone every single month to do it. That someone can be you. You don't have to build Go High Level by yourself because Go High Level is going to be built for you with AI. And all you're doing is bringing businesses to it so you can help them set it up. And you're basically the plug. And the plug always gets paid. But don't just take my word for it. Let me show you. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the AI website builder inside of High Level. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your High Level dashboard. And once you're inside, make sure that you switch over to your agency view. And then you're going to click on where it says Labs. Then you're going to scroll down and you'll find something called AI Studio, and you need to make sure to turn that on. And then once the AI Studio is turned on, you are going to have this activated and it will be showing up on the inside of your dashboard. So right here where I'm pointing to, there goes the AI Studio. So now let's start building. So once you click on AI Studio, this is where the fun part starts. I like to call this vibing with AI. Basically, you're going to give the AI instructions and it's going to help you build the website for you. So even if you don't know how to build websites from scratch, this makes it so much easier. Inside the white box, you're going to type out a prompt. A prompt is basically the description of what you want the builder to do. So right where it says describe what you want to build, you're going to put exactly what you want your website to be.
Now, there's actually two ways to do this. You can either build a website from a prompt, or you can just give it an example of a website that you like and have it create something based off of that. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a website from a prompt. So what I'm doing right now is just typing something inside of the box, something that just came to my mind. So here in the video, you can literally just see what I'm typing in, and you would just change this to make sense to whatever type of website you are building yourself. Now I'm going to hit the arrow and let the AI start building. So once you press the button, the AI starts taking your prompt and turning it into an actual website, and you'll see it working through a whole bunch of different parts of the build. Normally, if you were doing this yourself, you would have to choose a template, add sections, write the copy, pick the layout, and set everything up manually. But here, the AI is literally doing its thing. It's doing a lot of the work for you. It's using the prompt that you typed in to decide what sections to include and how the page should look. And we just leave that alone and we let it finish. Now, once the prompt is done and the website is finished, you're going to want to take a look at it, and how I like to view it is large on the screen. So I'm going to hit the preview button so that I can open up into a new tab. And this is the website the AI made just from that simple prompt, just a couple of sentences. Honestly, this came out really good for something that was built from such a simple idea, simple concept. It has all of these tabs at the top. Now, if there's anything that you need to change, like for example, this came out kind of messed up, you can go back and go to where the Ask AI is and put your change suggestions there so that I can fix everything for you. But as you can see, it created everything so well. The brand style, the headline, the sections, the photos, even the logo. It made the logo too. The overall layout, it looks amazing. Once you like the website, you can hit publish. When you publish it, High Level will give you a generated link, or if you have your own domain, you can connect that instead. So instead of using a random generated link, you could connect something like, let's say, glowgirl.com or whatever your real website domain is. And that's pretty much how you use the AI website builder inside of High Level.
So boom, just like that, we did it. What you just watched me do used to take hours of work, and only experts could do it, and they charge hundreds of thousands of dollars to do that. We just did that in 2 minutes by typing one sentence, all powered by AI, and that is Go High Level. So that's how you're going to make your AI money. That's your income stream. And this is the cheat code, you guys. Listen, let me show you exactly what this looks like in real money. So let's say you charge a business owner $500 a month to manage their Go High Level. That's just one client at $500 a month. If you have 2 clients, that's $1,000 a month. If you had 5 clients, that's $2,500 a month. And if you had 10, that's $5,000 every single month. And every time you bring on a brand new client, you can charge them a one-time fee just to set everything up. Okay? So you're getting paid upfront and every month after that. And what I love about this most is you're not starting from zero every single month like most income streams. Every client that you keep is money that just keeps showing up for you. And that's the power of creating a recurring income system and combining it with AI. And Go High Level is an AI-powered tool that small businesses need, and they're going to pay every single month to keep it running. And you just have to bring them to it. The AI is going to help you build everything, and you're going to get paid up front every single month after that. No product to create, really no tech skills needed, and you don't have to worry about having a big following. So it's the middle of the year right now, okay? And the people who move on this right now are going to be winning by 2027. So don't be that person who's sitting around waiting. Here's what I need you to do right now, okay? Number 1, grab your free 30-day trial in the description box, and I also put it in the pinned comments. Go inside Go High Level and see it for yourself. Number 2, comment the word funnel below so I know this video helped you out. And tell me, who exactly would you try to help with this service? What kind of business owner? And number 3, tell me what questions you have or what video you want to see next, because the next video that's coming is going to be straight from this comment section. So if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, you guys, because I'm always dropping the gems. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.